This is one of the best research papers that I've read about ADHD to date, which explains why the dopamine and norepinephrine part of the equation is not the only thing that's going on with an ADHD brain. ADHD has been oversimplified for decades, and a big reason of this is because we have drug targets. We have pharmacologic targets for dopamine and norepinephrine, and it does help. It's just that this explanation doesn't capture everything that's going on in the brain. It's not the whole equation. So I'm here to tell you a little bit more and paint a better picture for you. We know that there's a strong genetic component with ADHD, but it's multifactorial, meaning it has a lot of different dimensions to it, and it's not as simple as you inherit one gene from one parent. Now, research is showing us how we are finding consistent differences in the way that ADHD brains develop over time. This paper focuses specifically on a type of cell called glial cells. This specific type here are called astrocytes. Astrocytes are really important for things like structural support, maintaining the blood-brain barrier. Astrocytes provide metabolic support, and they help to regulate the amount of neurotransmitters that are getting put across the synapse, which means between two neurons. So they can help strengthen or reduce the amount of signaling or communication that happens between neurons in our brain. Differences in astrocyte maturation have been linked in ADHD brains to problems with focus, problems with decision making and memory, problems with impulsivity and hyperactivity. ADHD brains, multiple genes that affect the way that astrocytes function are also affected. Some of these are the same pathways that are implicated in things like recovering from traumatic brain injury. So it is suggested that maybe ADHD people would have a harder time recovering from something like a traumatic brain injury. All this to say that ADHD it's not some motivation issue or some character flaw. It's a complex neurodevelopmental difference that requires systems, not just willpower. So common systems if you want to learn more about working with me, because I help adults who want to be high achievers accomplish all their dreams. This is why ADHD treatment needs to be comprehensive. It needs to go beyond just medication. ADHD biology and our brain's chemistry goes deeper than that. So the solutions need to be wraparound deeper too. Follow me if you like learning more about your neurodivergent brain, and share this with somebody who likes learning about it too.